Bye bye. Hello, B. Oh, good morning. What you do? Makeup? Wow. Good. You have customer? Oh. Okay. Huh? Huh? No, I go shave. I shave. I do shave and cut hair. Good. But I have pimple here. Yes, video camera, action camera, can buy now everything. I buy new 15,000 baht, peng mak mak. Very good. Oh, very good. I can make movies. Okay, I go run it now. See you. You too. Okay, Lamai Beach. We go to the biggest bar road in Lamai Beach. We call it Dog Shit Alley, but the real name is Samui Moon something. Yeah, a lot of bars in the night here. Now empty. It's early in the morning. Very early. I just come from the barber shop, cut my hair and shave. Okay, let's go. I live here, I almost never go to the beach. I don't know why. I think it's too hot. A lot of tourists go to the beach. To the beach. There you have the beach. Lamai Beach. Of tourists now, but they only stay on the beach and in the hotel. They not go out to the bars little bit, but oh, somebody let's see, working here. The building, this is all swing bar. Oh my god, they make cement, make new. This is a good bar. I tried to rent many times, and now somebody rent. Have swimming pool over there too. Good place. Okay, let's go. Let's go look. The beach, Bamboo Beach, very popular restaurant in Lamai Beach. Yeah, you can eat breakfast, $3 American breakfast. English, I mean English, not American. English breakfast, $3. Yeah, Bamboo. Hello, Sawadee Krap. You can see the beach. I hope you see something. And you can eat breakfast over there, $3 English breakfast. Very good. Bamboo. Have many restaurants along this road. This is the popular one. Okay, I want to show you the bars here around McDonald's. It's over here. I like this place. Superstar. Oh yeah. Mermaid bar is my favorite. Here you have Winner bar. Hello, Thunder bar. Have a lot of bars. Lady boxing. Is my favorite bar, Honey bar. I have a friend, she owns this bar. Here they have Saturday. They have lady boxing here in. We forget to go look. We can go look. Lady boxing arena. Honey bar, but closed now. The ladies working here. Saturday, they put chair over here, and they boxing over there. Big tourist attraction in Saturdays. Oh, so you can look here. You only have to buy one drink, 100 baht. Ladies boxing Saturdays. full with tourists. Oh, it's a nice event, and it's not for show. They're boxing in real time. I know some ladies boxing here. Oh, so that's the lady boxing arena in Lamai Beach. Let's go ride a motorbike. I want to see if we can see some varans in the river. If we're lucky, we have big one here, 2 meters and 1 meter too. Now we come to the river zone. Sometimes have varans over there. I don't know what the name, Komodo varan or something. I don't know. They're super big, but not every time. But we go look. No have today. Not lucky every time. No, not today. But I have in my YouTube channel, I have a movie from Varans. Over there you have a good food market in the night and have live music. A lot of tourists over there. Okay, let's go again. Yeah. I want to show you the food market in Lamai. It's a big food market. Thai people go there shopping food in the morning. They're hungry. It's very cheap. I promise you, I can eat breakfast, lunch and dinner for $3 in this food market. No problem. Okay, now we stay in the Lamai Beach food market. Let's go have a look, see what we can find. Best place to eat food. Everything very fresh. See. Savadi cup. Barbecue fish. Wow, and here I have, this is ham, and this is 10 baht. Hello. 10 baht. Rice, I don't know. Oh, see, make chicken with rice. Thai coconut pancake. Sweet corn. Savadi cup. Cooking good. Ah, she making this one. I never see this before. Pancake. There you see, 10 baht. How much is 10 baht in dollar? I don't know. It's not too much. You know, little bit. Yeah, they have a lot of Finnish food. Masman, I like this one. Wow. Oh. Oh, look here, the butchers, they have fruit, have And soon you come to the fish apartment. I don't know what to say. They not have too much beef. They have ham, you know, flesh. Beef is, they not eat too much beef. They eat bacon, chicken. Here you have a live animal. Fresh food. Frogs. I have frogs. Turtle. And I have some there, I don't know what they. This one looks like a snake I've seen before. Fish, a lot of fish. Barracuda. She wants the fish cut. Shrimp. Yeah, shrimp. I love the shrimp. Oh, crab.
ปูโลเท่าไหร่คะปูโลเท่าไหร่คะ200หนู
I have hot dogs, rising oil. Hello. Good.
Hello. Hi everyone.
Yeah, they're frying oil. I like this. Oh, yeah. Go out to the big road. This is the ring road. You go around the island. You can never get lost on this road. If you run on this road, you come back where you start. It's about 60 kilometers or something. Take 1.5 hours. And it's a very beautiful island, Koh Samui. A lot of things to see here. Beautiful beach, beautiful ladies, beautiful people. Everybody asks me why you stay in Thailand. I like the people in Thailand. They're very nice. Super nice. That's why I stay in Thailand. Good, we have make some movies today. Today I do a lot. I eat breakfast, drink coffee, go cut my hair, shave, and make movie. The traffic is really crazy in Thailand. You have to take care when you drive here. I drive here 23 years. I never have accident. I'm lucky. But I drive careful. I know people run out. They not drive like traffic rules here. If you drive like you do in Europe or somewhere, America, after a traffic rule, you will have an accident. You have to drive Thai style. Wrong side of the road, intersection, you take a shortcut. And there they do, when they not come out from the intersection, they put the car halfway out in the road so people can stop. Hello, top one. Yes. In Thailand, everybody not have driving license, so but they drive anyway. Good wind today. Good wind. I like my Suzuki. I built this motorbike alone. Come a car, you see. Somebody walking. I have a dog. I know this dog. Hello, Coffee. Hey, how are you? Huh? How are you? Oh, you have a friend. Oh, puppy. You have a friend. Oh, hello. You have a friend now. I see you too. I see you too. Coffee. He live in this restaurant and he named Coffee. Good. Long time no see, Coffee. Long time no see, Coffee. I remember you when you puppy. You're very shy. You never come to me. And now we come. This is a good breakfast restaurant. Big breakfast have here. And nice dogs. I stay with massage here. Lucky massage here. I have 2 ladies today for massage. Yeah. It's opposite Finn Hotel. Here you have Finn Hotel. You have good room. Cheap. I hope you have customers today. No.
Quiet.
Quiet, yes. It's a little bit slowly in Lamai. I know. But have tourists, but they stay on the beach.
At the beach, yeah?
Yeah. I have mak. But they not go out. They stay hotel on the beach and go eat restaurant, go home. Kapal. Yeah. Yeah. But soon high season start. Come soon. Yeah. Okay, we go. See you. Yeah, they want me to promote Lucky Massage in Lamai Beach. Yeah, of course I do. They are my friends. Now we go home to my bar. I have a bar here. Alma Bar. Yes, it's a very low season now, slowly here. But winter time more people come. Now we come to my bar here and have taxi. You can go. No hurry here in Thailand. Yeah, my bar. Alma Bar. Come here. I have 1 staff. Oh yeah. Oh, it's super hot. Oi. Hot too much. Yeah. My bar. I have to drink water more, not drink water. Hello! Yeah, see a little bit tired. How are you? You miss me?
Good.
Good. Very good. I come home now. I go make movie around Lamai.
Okay.
Yes. Yes, this is my bar. A very beautiful paintings, you see. I start painting here, you see I paint orange in the wall and I have crystal chandelier. Wow. Only bar in Lamai have this. Okay, let's go work in computer. Over and out.